empowering field teams with actionable intelligence. You're out in the field, analyzing prescriber RX trends and balancing multiple priorities, managing your territory, and delivering impactful product presentations, all while trying to make decisions with disparate data. It's overcomplicating pre-call planning decisions. That's where Close-Up CRM transforms the impact for pharma field teams. Our intelligent CRM platform consolidates everything you need into one seamless center. No more switching between tools or hunting for HCP information. With a complete 360-degree view of your territory from prescription data to market access coverage, you have everything you need just one click away. Close-Up CRM doesn't just streamline your day, it empowers you with AI-driven recommendations. Need to know which prescriber to prioritize, whether to visit in person, leverage samples, or engage virtually? The platform provides real-time guidance tailored to your territory and customer. It's not just about efficiency, it's about creating meaningful, impactful HCP interactions. From program planning to customer mapping, every process becomes intuitive and insight-driven. And when remote engagement is the answer, our integrated virtual collaboration tools make it effortless. No downloads, virtual leave-behinds, and sampling with the ability to measure HCP engagement effectiveness. Close-Up CRM equips you to focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional experiences to your customers to drive your overall success. Ready to redefine your approach? Visit closeupcrm.com to learn more and schedule your demo today.